So welcome in Physics Within You. This time we have the video for the installation of a Google Chrome on Windows 11, and this is because Chrome has some edge over edge, and this is in the typical kind of web support and the programming. And the most important issue is that the when you have a across the device, I mean to say you have the mobile, you have the PCs. So Chrome helps you. And most important part is that you are very much familiar with the Chrome habit as compared to the Edge one. So let us go and see how the Google Chrome is going to be installed on Windows 11 from Microsoft Edge. So let us first understand it is a four-step process. First of all, you have to go for the site, download Chrome, go to the official site, download Chrome setup, .exe file, run installer, allow UAC, user account control. Nowadays is important, and then you can set Chrome as a default browser if you wish. But I would suggest to keep the both Edge versus Chrome. You can keep both of them, not do the versus. So now let's go for the real part, actual installation process. I will open the new tab. You can see that, and I will just type Chrome. Now there is many options you can have there. So I will just Chrome download, get the official site, Chrome web browser, and just you can see Microsoft Edge is also saying that had the same technology. So some kind of you can say fight between the two. You can see you just download, and the downloading has been started. You can see it will take a few minutes, depending on the your network speed. So it can take few minutes. The timing slowing down. 4 minutes left. It may go up and down, so need not to worry about that. It happens. So just a few seconds has been left. Meanwhile, I will let you know that if you, as you can see here, there is a return trust issue. So of course, Microsoft Edge has better trust as compared to Chrome. So if you want to browse safely and more, you can say trustful way, then you should prefer for the Microsoft Edge. That's why I will suggest use. You can have the both of the browser. If you want something in the secret way or a secure way, then Microsoft Edge can be used. Or for the other part, you can use the Chrome. So this is the distinction between the two. So meanwhile, you can see our file downloads has been completed, and now we will go in the file folder. We will open the file, and you may found that some typical download from the file will be started. So initialization, they're connecting to the internet. You can see there, and we are downloading the files from the folders to install them. So it may also take some of the time. So currently it is showing the 26 minutes, but suddenly you can see it's at now 10 minutes. So it will happen fastly. You need to worry for that things. So it had happened in the just in the 2 minutes. So download has been completed now. So installation process has been started in the just fraction of seconds. Now Chrome has been set up. So now you can sign in. Some security questions might be there. You can they will ask you to enter the password, and once you enter the password, the two-step verification may be asked from your phone and etc. Nowadays, it's a security two steps verification is compulsory nowadays, so you have to do it. You have to keep your phone with yourself so that you can immediately can do the verification. Yes, you may resend it if your phone was not with you. So soon now you can turn off on the sync. You can sync this device to other devices, and you can start your work now. Now you can keep set as default if you wish. So I have set just like as a default. So now Chrome, you can see the Chrome is my default browser. You can do the other settings to add on the privacy, so that you can do if you wish. So I'm just letting down. Just I'm going to the Google now. It's a Chrome. I have opened the Gmail and I got it. So this is the how you can transfer from Edge to Chrome for a browsing purpose. So that was how to download and install the Chrome from Microsoft Edge. And I think the both of the browsers are well good in their part. But for the programming purpose, typically like Python programming or something web supported part, I think Chrome is better. When you have to do some, you have some security concern, then Microsoft Edge is better. If your RAM is lower, then you can use the, I mean to say, Microsoft Edge. Also, the browsing experience is much better in Microsoft Edge as compared to Chrome. But when you have to program, you have to choose the about the, I mean to say, Chrome is better, as I feel, and typically across the devices like some mobile and TVs or cameras, whatsoever you have. So that was all right from my side. So thanks for the learning with us. I mean to say, why Jess? Thanks.